The method I am demonstrating today, I will be using gel products. Decals always last longer over gel polish, or gel and acrylic nails. Decals can be applied with nail polish on the natural nail but will only last for around a week. Follow these same steps except with polish instead. These are the tools you will need. You can either purchase these products individually. I put links for the cheapest products on Amazon in the description box below. Or you can purchase a kit which has everything you need through me, which is $25 cheaper. It also will include samples of my custom-made decals. You can always take the decals to your nail tech to apply as well. Prep each nail for proper adhesion and for longer lasting results from 2-4 weeks. 1. Always start with freshly washed and thoroughly dried hands and nails. 2. Push cuticles back from the nail. 3. Buff the shine from the nail and remove any cuticle skin from the nail surface with a nail file. 4. Clean dust off nail. 5. Wipe with alcohol or acetone. Step 2. Cut out decal. Step 3. Apply 1 coat of primer for gel nails. Allow to dry for a few seconds. Step 4. Apply gel base coat. Cure in lamp for 60 seconds. Step 5. Paint your nails any color. Light colors work best to bring out vibrant colors of decals. Keep in mind when choosing your base color, the white areas of the decal will be clear when applied to nail. Cure for 60 seconds. Step 6. Apply another coat of base coat. Make sure to paint the free edge, then cure for 60 seconds. Step 7. Using a small bowl, place the decal in some water for about 10 seconds. It is best to only do one at a time so they do not slide together. Step 8. Remove the decal with tweezers or nail stamper face down, and slide off the white background. Lightly dab moisture off decal with a paper towel. Straighten out any wrinkles with silicone nail pen. Step 9. Apply decal to your nail with the side that was attached to the paper. Squeegee wipe decal from the middle to the edge to prevent bubbles and wrinkles. Do not pull decal. Step 10. Take clean-up brush and apply a little acetone to clean the excess decal off the skin and lightly melt the decal into the perimeter and free edge of the nail. Be careful to not touch the surface of the nail with brush or decal will melt away. Step 11. Apply at least 2 top coats of gel polish to seal the decal. Make sure to cap the free edge around the perimeter of the nail. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Use a file to smooth any rough edges or to remove any product left around the cuticles. Be careful not to file surface of decal. When anyone asks me about my nails, I can let them scan to my website. This is my handcrafted edible deodorant. You can purchase all decals here, link in description below. You will also be able to purchase my art displayed on multiple items. This is one of my best friends who died. Her funeral is today. Please consider purchasing a clothing item from my fundraiser supporting my alternative cancer treatment, which insurance will not cover. Chemo didn't help me and this is last option. You may also donate to my GoFundMe. Both links are in the description below. Thank you for your help.